I am now printing the parts I need for this new project I've been working on. I'm using two printers at once because I need several parts. So far I've printed and glued together parts of the new project, and as you can already guess, it's a computer based off a Raspberry Pi 1, and I have the initial sketches here. So this is a imitation of a Newton message pad eMate. So this is a Newton eMate which came out in the 90s, and I had two of these units running Newton operating system. I think they feature in one of the Batman movies, but I always liked the design they had. They are the predecessors of the iBook clamshell. And here you can see my 3D drawing on AutoCAD. This is a 3D model composed of several parts that I had to section or divide or cut into 4 parts so they will fit into the printable area of the printers. So the design then was sectioned, and you can see that I pretty much guessed the radius of every circular arc in the original design, and this is the semi-completed computer or laptop based off the Raspberry Pi. It has a 800 by 600 pixel HDMI display running Raspbian Jessie with the Pixel graphical server XORG, and you can see now I'm going to type in Python, the interpreter, in a terminal window. Inside the laptop there is a set of lithium-ion battery cells, 3.7 volts each, and I have actually 3 circuit boards. 2 of them are the charge monitor PCB, another one is the battery health monitor, the equal balancer, and the battery monitor boards, and the DC-to-DC converter. You can see the design, it's the same as the AutoCAD model. I still need to add a power button and a DC charging port to it, but so far the computer powers up from the battery cells. I have not idea how much the batteries will last with this setup, but there's only a keyboard and a Wi-Fi dongle on the USB ports. So the display is small. The Raspberry Pi 1 is very low current demanding device. I think it will last. I think it will surprise me how far this lasts with these two batteries. So the voltage of the batteries is roughly around 8 volts when they fully charge, and the balancer keeps the charge balanced and monitors them, and if they fall below the threshold, I think it's 3.2 volts, it shuts them off. The DC-to-DC converter, there's a buck step-down converter that converts the voltage for the batteries into 5 volts